Okay, so that's how to set up a bits bar. Now let's try setting up one for, I skipped followers. Let's talk about followers. It's pretty much the same, but let's talk about it anyway, so it's clear. Let's see, followers. Okay, followers. Okay, so same idea, 1597 to get it right here. And then, okay, so you can click this if you want to change what your starting amount is. But if you don't want to, then just check on this to start at 0. And then yeah, progress color, background color, text color, same as with the bits bar. The font, item width, item height, same as with the bits bar. What I forgot to mention about the bits bar, which should also apply to all your other goal bars, is definitely think of what you want for a goal reach command, like something celebratory, some sound, some video, something, so that once you reach your goal, you have something to play, so everybody knows, hey, we met the goal. And yeah, this is pretty much the same. I edited right here. I put followers right here. It's too small, so let me copy it and put it in the notepad. So yeah, I put followers right here because initially all I had was amount and percentage, and then slash 3000. Okay. So yeah, it's basically the same as the bits bar. Let's save this. Okay. Let's hide the bits bar also. And yes, there you go. There's the followers bar. And same idea with the follower event. So I'm gonna go Twitch channel followed. Again, you're gonna want an overlay to hide the bar and then show the bar in order to refresh it. So overlay, add, action, show slash hide widget, followers, hide, followers show to refresh the followers goal bar. So hide followers bar, show followers bar. So whenever someone follows, it'll update automatically. I'm not really, I don't have a goal bar set up, so I'm going to disable this for myself.